In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide sheets in Google Sheets. We'll start right from your browser and walk through the exact clicks you need to tidy up a spreadsheet by hiding and revealing rows and columns, all without deleting any data. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. This opens a panel of Google services. Click on Sheets to launch Google Sheets. Once you're in Sheets, open the spreadsheet you want to work on. If you don't see it right away, you can search for it by name or browse your recent files. Let's begin with rows. To select a row, click the gray row number along the left edge to highlight the entire row. You'll know it's selected when the whole row is shaded. Now right-click on that highlighted row. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger tap works the same as a right-click. From the menu that appears, choose Hide Row. The row will collapse out of view, and you'll see a narrow gap with small arrows marking where the hidden row lives. To bring that row back, click the small up and down arrows in the gap. The row expands immediately, with all its original data intact. If multiple adjacent rows are hidden, clicking the arrows will unhide the entire hidden block at once. The same approach works for columns. Click the column letter at the top to highlight the whole column, then right-click and select Hide Column. The column disappears from view, and you'll see a slim divider with little arrows where it used to be. To unhide it, click those arrows, and the column pops back into place. Again, if several neighboring columns are hidden, they'll all reappear together. A couple of tips to make this smoother. You can select several adjacent rows or columns by clicking and dragging across their headers before you hide them. This is great for temporarily removing large sections you don't need to see. Also, remember that hiding is just a visual cleanup. Your data stays exactly the same and can still be affected by formulas. It's not a security feature, so don't rely on hiding to protect sensitive information. If you don't immediately spot the arrows, try scrolling a bit or adjusting your zoom. They sit right between the row numbers or column letters. That's all there is to it. A quick, clean way to focus on what matters in your spreadsheet.